May I ask you, how old are you?
How old do you think I am?
78.
86.
Wow,
In July.
86.
Built that was vacant. That one lot was for sale. They built that house maybe 15 years ago.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
They raised the whole lot 6 feet,
Okay, wow.
so they're blocking off the view
Yes.
of that house
Where's your house?
right here.
How many acres?
One.
1 acres.
One.
Okay.
This is more. This is a 4.
Yeah,
plus,
4.
but uphill,
Okay.
and this is about 1.5
Okay.
uphill.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
you can see how the hill goes up.
Mm-hmm,
But these four, not this one. This is a 1884.
Yes.
Yeah,
1884.
old.
Yes.
This is the ranch house for the avocado groves that were here.
Avocado and oak, right? Avocado.
Avocado trees,
Okay.
big in the valley. Yeah,
Oh,
it's
okay.
the whole thing, all the way down. You see the avocado, old avocado
Oh yes,
trees.
yes.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's for sale too. You probably know. 12 acres,
12 acres.
6.5.
Wow, 6.5 million.
But yeah, but 12 acres.
Oh, I know.
That's prime property. That's a lot of it is flat.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I don't know what Bradbury's very picky about.
So you live here like 50 years, right?
We've been here 31.
31 years.
That
Oh,
house.
31 years.
31.
How is the community?
Love it.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah. Quiet.
Quite
Cul-de-sac.
okay.
Not much. No traffic.
Okay.
Like when people come up and wrong street, turn around, and drive out.
Okay.
Safe.
Safe.
No. 31 years. Nobody's. We're gated. Totally gated. A fence all the way around.
Okay.
And then gate. We have a gate. But it saves a lot of
Wow.
people coming up to the house. They stop at the gate.
Of course.
You know
Of
what I'm
course.
saying? So.
Yes.
And the
yes.
gate, you could push it open if you wanted to, but people don't push on it.
Oh, really?
I don't lock the gate. And
Okay.
for fire,
Mm-hmm.
they have to be able to push the gate open.
Yes. Yes.
The fire department
Mhm,
to get in.
Wow. Oh, then more easy, right?
But yeah, great neighbors right here.
Okay.
Great neighbors here.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Great able. Yes. Neighborhood.
we
How about
have
this?
A little bit of a view there. Not
Oh.
much. It's so pretty flat.
Mhm.
You know, it kind of goes up. You can see the hill goes down, and then goes down again. So, by the time you get down to the bottom,
Okay.
there's a wash down there, and a walking trail.
Mm-hmm.
So it's nice. The walking trail is very popular. A lot
Wow.
of people use it. But to access it, you have to go.
605 and 210.
We have to go to the end of the block, and then Mount Olive, and it's right there.
Oh,
The
yeah,
walking-
more
The
easy.
walking trail used to be an old railroad
Yes,
railroad
yes.
trail, and then there's a wash, then the walking trail,
Mm-hmm.
and then there's street houses and a street.
Wow.
So, but there's a lot of people who use the walking trail.
Wow,
So,
so
very
very
popular.
popular and healthy and happiness. Yeah.
Yeah.
May I ask you, how old are you?
How old do you think I am?
78.
86.
Wow.
In July.
86.
In July.
Oh,
85 right now. 2
Oh.
months. 3 months. May.
Okay.
May, June.
oh yes. Oh.
Yeah.
July
In
is your
3
birth.
months, I'll be 86.
Wow.
My wife's 84. Married 64 years.
64 years. Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Praise the Lord, yeah.
Mhm,
Yeah,
mhm.
yeah.
So you guys moved here is like 31 years.
31 years here. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Wow, wow.
Yeah, love it. We'll die here. So we have a big guest house we're redoing right now.
Mhm,
Over here, this separate structure, 4-car garage,
Mhm,
RV garage,
Wow.
16 by 35,
Mhm.
and then a guest house, 1,200 feet.
Wow,
Square
okay. Yeah, understand.
feet. Separate.
Sorry about that. So I have a question. So you like 1 acre the land for, or like the 4 acres land? Depends you which you like.
1 acre is all I can take care of.
Okay.
I have 2 gardeners come every week
Oh.
and a pool guy, and I still have to,
Do something by yourself.
yeah, yeah.
But
So
4
it's a lot
acres
of
a
work.
little.
This would be hard to maintain,
Mm-hmm.
you know, but although obviously there's not much work here, she still has to do the weed whacker.
I know.
But
I know.
it's kind of rural,
Okay.
so not a problem, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Looks like the yard before they have a big trees, like the land, right?
I
But
don't know. I don't know.
they
It's
cut
it's pretty much
something.
the way it was.
Oh, really?
This was built just before we moved in.
Oh, okay.
Yes. It was a veterinarian
Mm-hmm.
that lived here, owned it, and he ran his business, his veterinarian
Oh.
animal
Mm-hmm.
out of this.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
it's like a business.
They like build a 1988 something. Yes.
This could be an ADU now.
Okay.
ADU.
ADU,
This be
right?
separate?
Yes, separate.
I think so.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I don't know what Bradbury would require as far as
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
they're pretty light on the rules of making an ADU now.
I know. I know.
But Bradbury is still very picky.
I know.
When
Little
they
bit
built- When they
picky.
built that house, the permits alone were
Mm-hmm.
$250,000.
Wow.
Hi.
Hi, how
Is
you
this your
doing?
place?
Huh?
Is this your place?
No,
Oh.
Neighbors.
Ah.
Neighbors. Yes.
no, I live right here.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm a neighbour too.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right here.
No. I live up on Spring Point.
Okay.
Oh,
I've
wow.
often seen this place. And
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna
Understood.
go in.
Okay.
Nice to
Yeah.
meet you.
Let's go get some coffees.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for coming.
All right,
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you. 朋友们好，你看看4月2号哦，我们的团队又在 Bradbury 这边拿到了一个新的 listing 哦。房子是1884年的，朋友们一定很觉得，哎呀，这么老的房子哦，6房2个洗手间，地就很大了，4个多 acre，你看看，刚刚非常开心哦。邻居安德森他们全家也过来看一下这个房子，然后跟我讲了一下他搬过来的历史啊。可惜今天没有带航拍，所以不然的话呢，我跟大家好好的把这个地段给大家整一下哦。Bradbury 这个城市非常非常好，里面的豪宅呀特别多，都是很大的地块的。这边都是欧克树啊，还有橡树啊，还有豆油树，4个多 acre 真的是不得了。今天也是我们的 Broker Preview， 很多的同事们都过来了，吃吃东西，聊聊天，讲一讲现在的房市哦。你看，都属于原生态一样的啊。1884年的房子，那是主屋，这是1988年建的，都显得没有1884年的保养的这么好。那是一个以前的马厩吧，但是现在都是放工具了，小朋友玩的地方。我们来看一下啊，有兴趣的朋友可以跟着我们的镜头。周末我们 Open House， 礼拜六、礼拜天，4月4号、4月5号，你看看地有多大？旁边也是一块地在卖，但是是600多万呢、600多万，12个 acre 的地哦，阿维卡多很多，所以在洛杉矶寸土寸金的地方有这么大的地，真的是不错。但是 Bradbury， 但是这个城市是比较保守一点的，你要想分割的话就比较难一点哦。但是有这么大的地啊，可以怎么样做啊？我们来看一下，1884年这个屋主是怎么样来弄这块地的？你看看地多大，有很多的小房子，你看那边也有旧的房子。这是主屋，等一下我带大家去看哦。Bradbury 这个城市真的是地大，房子也大。这应该都是100多年前的，现在都不能够用了。这里还有一个小小的 storage， 也是有人在住。 等一下问一下屋主啊。我们看看房子后面的情况。刚刚邻居安德森跟我们讲了，本来这块地上面也是有很多树的，但是不断的树老啦，就砍掉啦、移掉啦，所以很多的野草长出来，野花。你看，整个的屋顶不错嘞，这么大的树，真漂亮，还开花了。洛杉矶的天气真好，4个多 acre 呢，应该是还是往上走的，但是屋主应该也是怕有那个野生动物过来啊，用铁围栏都围住了。我们从这里下去看看。嘿，308万。嘿，等一下给大家看看房子里面的状况，我觉得不错。冬暖夏凉，坐北朝南。